Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a very famous dish from the Levant. It's called Maqloubeh باذنجان. Upside down aubergine, kind of like an upside down cake, same principle. But I am giving it a facelift. I'm making it lighter and less calorific, and I'm doing a vegetarian version for my vegetarian followers. We're going to start with the aubergine. Normally, the aubergine is fried. It's deep fried in vegetable oil. I'm going to grill it in the oven. I'm just going to lightly coat it with oil and grill it. I'm going to peel it this way. I'm going to slice it like ½ centimeter. I have a tray. I'm just going to place them. A little drizzle of olive oil. Brush. And turn them the other way around. And repeat the process. Now it's going to go into a preheated oven, 180, for around 10 minutes or until it just starts to brown. Olive oil. I have 1 chopped onion. I'm going to prepare the tomatoes. I add tomatoes to it because I really love the colors it brings and it adds a nice flavor. So I'm going to also cut them very thinly. Now I'm going to add some stock. I have vegetable stock here. Aubergine is slightly browned. I'm just going to add it to the stock and it's going to soften in there. The aubergine has softened. I'm just going to lift them up. A little bit of olive oil at the bottom. I'm going to alternate them. Aubergine, tomato. And that's going to be for the face. I have here around 2½ cups of short grain rice, or Egyptian rice as we say it. And I put coriander, another layer of aubergine, and again some tomato in the center. Second layer of rice, and I have the stock. I'm gonna pour stock to cover it. So if it's not enough, just add a little bit of water. This is go on a medium heat for 15 minutes or until the stock has evaporated. Okay, the stock has evaporated now. I'm gonna put a diffuser on low heat and it's gonna continue for a further 15 minutes. Now for the tricky part, which is turning it upside down. As I said, it doesn't always work, but we'll see. Just gonna leave it a couple minutes and then lift the lid up and fingers crossed, it looks good. Coriander, I love coriander. And finally, we use a lot of toasted nuts. Have a go and let me know what you think.